we will need a screwdriver set. Firstly, I'm gonna unscrew the screws. We'll need to match a right screwdriver for the screws. I've started unscrewing the screws very carefully. Now I'm gonna separate the keyboard and touchpad from the laptop with the help of a flat screwdriver card. It won't be easy to be done, but don't hurry. Otherwise, you can break the device. Now I'm using a card as it has some sort of elasticity. Oh, finally done! Yeah, these are hidden treasures. This time, I'm carefully unplugging the keyboard port and the touchpad port. Hey, look! Our primary disassembling has completed. The keyboard port and the touchpad port. Oh, things fall apart for this laptop. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe.